play down. Meaning, to minimize or make something seem less important or serious than it is. Example, the government tried to play down the impact of the economic crisis. Synonyms: minimize, downplay, mitigate. Splash out. Meaning, to spend a lot of money on something luxurious or extravagant. Example, she splashed out on a designer handbag for her birthday. Synonyms: spend lavishly, indulge, lavish. Snap up. Meaning, to buy or acquire something quickly, often eagerly or eagerly due to limited availability. Example, she snapped up the concert tickets as soon as they went on sale. Synonyms: grab, seize, snatch. Wash out. Meaning to be canceled or ruined, especially due to bad weather or other circumstances. Example, the picnic got washed out because of the heavy rain. Synonyms: cancel, ruin, spoil. Zip up. Meaning to close or fasten with a zipper or to secure something tightly. Example, please zip up your jacket. It's cold outside. Synonyms: close, fasten, secure. Tear up. Meaning rip into pieces. Example, he tore up the letter after reading it. Synonyms: shred, rip apart, demolish. Cough up. Meaning to reluctantly give or pay something, especially money. Example, he had to cough up $100 for the parking fine. Synonyms: fork out, sell out, pay up. Chew out. Meaning, to scold or reprimand someone severely. Example, the boss chewed him out for missing the deadline. Synonyms: ream out, dress down, berate. Knuckle down. Meaning, to start working hard and seriously on a task or project. Example, she needs to knuckle down if she wants to finish the report on time. Synonyms: buckle down, get down to business, apply oneself. Phase out. Meaning, to gradually remove or discontinue something. Example, the company decided to phase out the old product and introduce a new one. Synonyms: discontinue, eliminate, remove gradually. Weighed down. Meaning, to burden or make someone feel heavy with worry or responsibilities. Example, the financial problems weighed him down for months. Synonyms: burden, oppress, encumber. Stick up for. Meaning, to support or defend someone or something. Example, she always sticks up for her friends when they're in trouble. Synonyms: defend, support, advocate for. Butt in. Meaning, to interrupt or intrude into a conversation or situation without being invited or needed. Example, she couldn't help butting in when they were discussing future plans. Synonyms: interrupt, intrude, interfere. Cut in. Meaning, to interrupt or join a conversation or activity suddenly. Example, he cut in while they were dancing to ask for a turn. Synonyms: interrupt, join, break in. Settle in. Meaning, to become accustomed to a new environment or situation. Example, it took a while to settle in after moving to a different country. Synonyms: adapt, adjust, acclimate. rush up. Meaning to improve or refresh one's skills or knowledge in a particular area. Example, she's brushing up on her Spanish before her trip to Spain. Synonyms: polish, refine, enhance. Back off. Meaning to retreat or withdraw from a situation or argument. Example, I had to tell him to back off and give me some space. Synonyms: withdraw, retreat, step back. Pipe down. Meaning to become quiet or stop making noise. Example, could you please pipe down? I'm trying to concentrate. Synonyms: quiet down, hush, be silent. Hang out. Meaning to spend time relaxing or socializing casually. Example, we usually hang out at the Cove on weekends. Synonyms: chill, relax, socialize. Rule out. Meaning to exclude or eliminate something as a possibility. Example, the doctor ruled out any serious illness after the tests. Synonyms: exclude, eliminate, dismiss. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos. English class time.